Hello guys, my name is Bislan. I'm freelance photographer from Kazakhstan and it's my first video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the haze and soft effect on your photos without a soft filter. Let's go! All you need is any fabric you can put on your lens. Personally, I will use my sock. The idea is to pull the sock on your lens so that you can clearly see through it what we are shooting. Using this gas station as an example, I will show you how it looks like. So take a sock and pull over your lens. You can have any fabric, it's desirable but it stretches and it's not colored. Black, white is perfect. Capron is also perfect, I just don't have it. Now you can see photos with sock and without sock. Look at that soft spread of light. It turns out to be a very soft picture. But today I will show you how you can achieve the same result without the use of filters and fabrics. Ask how? In Photoshop, of course. All we need to do is duplicate our photo layer, add lens blur or motion blur to the new layer. Actually, I use motion blur on photos with motion or on photos with suitable angles that add dynamics. Lens blur is suitable for static frames. Then lower the opacity a bit and set the blend mode to the screen. Now we add curves and use them to enhance the contrast. In principle, our processing is finished. It remains to do color correction and it will be possible to show the final result. Now you can see the result. Did you like the result we got? Write in the comments. And one more time guys, thank you for watching video till this moment. I really appreciate it. The next video will not be long in coming.